What's up, gang? So I'll be trying all of these wrap snacks. We got the Boozy Louisiana Heat, the Little Baby Barbecue queuing with my honey heat, and the salt and vinegar barbecue onion, garlic, and more. Let me flip the camera around. So first we starting with the Louisiana Heat Boozy chips. One out of 10, I get those a 7. Next to the little baby barbecue and more. One out of 10, I get those an 8. Last but not least is the Little Baby salt and vinegar, onion, barbecue, all that mixed together. See how these talking. So my rating for those, I'm gonna get those a 10 out of 10. I really like them. But I hope you guys like this little short. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that baby notified. Until next time.